Welcome. If you want to keep track of what's happening in your Google Drive, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you the quickest way to view your recent activity log in Google Drive, updated for 2025. Whether you're checking in on shared projects or just want to see what you've worked on lately, these steps will help you stay organized and informed. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive on your device. You can do this by heading to drive.google.com in your browser or tapping the Drive app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to check. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen or along the top menu, depending on your device, and tap on the Home tab. This is your main dashboard, and it's where Google Drive highlights what's important and recent for you. Now, here's the best part. Just scroll down on the Home tab. As you move through the page, you'll see a section labeled Recent Activity. This area shows you a timeline of what's been happening in your drive. You'll find a list of files and folders that you or your collaborators have opened, edited, moved, or shared. It's a simple, visual way to keep tabs on all the latest changes without digging through folders or searching for updates. If you want more details about a specific file or folder, just tap on it. You'll often see an Activity or Details option, which gives you a deeper look at who made changes and when. This is especially handy for keeping track of teamwork or making sure nothing slips through the cracks. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can view your recent activity log and stay on top of everything happening in your Google Drive. It's quick, easy, and a great way to keep your digital workspace organized. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your Google Drive experience. See you next time.